think I got half of it. Ooh. Some pretty big lightning. And it's over there now. It's like in this spot particular. Like, oh wow, it's like right above us now. I didn't even realize how fast the clouds can travel. Just stop it. I know, but we're.
The clouds are down there.
I know.
Go down in Denver. Look.
I know. Molly, stay. Molly.
Uh-oh. Don't take your phone out here. It's raining.
Shoot. I got a drop on it. I know, it's like super flat. Oh my god, I'm gonna risk it. I need to. It's raining. Whoa. Oh my god, it's right there. It's right above me. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. I keep on missing the lightning. So it was. I'm keeping it over there because it's really dark. I'm just keeping it in this perspective right here. Oh. This is gonna be a good video. There's just some tornado clouds down there, but I think we're too close to the mountains, so I don't know. There has been a tornado here before. It didn't destroy us. It was about 5 miles away, but it didn't destroy us. Oh my god, there's lightning everywhere. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! It was right there! It was right above me!
Right I got it on film.
Oh, it's coming closer and closer. Oh man. Whoa. If I were a bug, I'd be flying the other direction. I don't know.
Talking on film.
Yes. I want to post this on YouTube. Nobody's gonna see my face. Oh jeez. I like weather. I have to post it once in a while. It's weird because there's like a beautiful sunset right there. Maurice, I know. Whoa. Geez, it's like all over there. Oh. I'm getting some good film. It's like coming right above us.
There's that big one that went over your head. Watch.
Really?
Watch, here it comes.
Whoa.
Those look.
Jeez, wow. It's like right there. Oh. No, sir. Oh my gosh, there's like a wall of rain coming. Ooh. It's really starting to come down. Whoa. It's like right above us now. Oof. It's weird. There's just like a beautiful sunset right there. And over here, it's like lightning. Oh my gosh. I cannot turn my camera everywhere. Ooh, did you see that one? I got it on film. Now it's like right above us. Whoa, right over there. It's coming really close, Dad. Ooh, I'm getting scared. It's really close. I know. It's like, it's a beautiful sunset right here. But then there's a whole big lightning storm right here. I mean, gotta make up your mind, Mother Nature. Oh, those clouds are moving really fast. God, that's not good. You see that? They're really low. They're super low and they're moving really fast. That's not good. We could have a tornado. I'm a little scared.
It's all going south of us now.
I know. Yeah, but I see some clouds moving this way and some clouds moving the other direction. Ooh. Ugh, I'm getting eaten alive. Molly, you have to stay there. Ooh, that was a firework. Oh, did you get that? I got that. It's like getting really close. I'm getting scared. Oh, man. Whoa. I would be so scared if some just landed right there on the front lawn.
Wow.
I know, it's just right there. All the big lightning is right there. Oh, look, the beautiful scenery is now covered up. It's getting dark out.
Wow, they're getting hammered over there.
Oh my gosh. I'm so glad we don't live over there. Whoa. That was a big one. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? It should be a big crack any second now. I don't think I caught that one on film, but it was over there. It was right there. Whoa. It's just the loud noises that scare me. It scares everybody. And I think Molly ran away ever since the big noise. Molly, you gotta be brave. Gotta be brave. Oh, oh. Oh, geez, it's now really starting to come down, and it's starting to get really windy. It's all back there. Getting pummeled. I'm gonna film until this is all gone. I don't care how long it's gonna take. I just love the weather and I love filming weather. My other channel. I don't care how close I get. As long as I film it. Whoa. It's like everywhere. It's just like right there. Oh man. Whoa. Oh, whoa, look at those clouds.
No.
It's not good. Just could be over. I'm just seeing little ones. I'm scared. It's kind of disappearing now.
No, it's over there.
Whoa. It's just a light. I think I'm gonna go inside now. Alright, I think that's good. Ugh, it's really coming down. Okay, Molly's gone. No, she's still there. It's too dark. I want to get one more shot. Whoa. Yeah, I think it's going.
Alright.
Alright.